Hi, this is Dakota Peterson with question number 7. So I'm going to be doing this in PowerShell, and I'll show the different things that I'm going to do here. So, okay, so I made a file on the desktop called System Files. So here I'm going to go ahead and do so I did get process system, and I'm just going to show the format list. Then I'll save it to the file what I just want to show, kind of what I have. So there's all the system files from the get process list. So, but I want to save that to a file, and so yeah, users administrator desktop system files.txt. So I'll go ahead and press enter, and as you can see, that now is so it didn't output anything here, but it's going to output it here. Ta-da! Okay. Yeah. Go ahead and save it. Okay, cool. Thanks.